Replacing windows is a significant investment, especially in a state like Florida where the weather is unpredictable, and your windows play a crucial role in keeping your home secure and comfortable. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, or protect against storms, it's essential to avoid common mistakes during the window replacement process. These missteps can lead to higher costs, poor performance, and missed opportunities for improvement. Choosing the wrong type of window. One of the most critical mistakes homeowners make when replacing windows in Florida is selecting the wrong type of window for the region's specific climate and weather conditions. Florida is known for its intense sun, humidity, and frequent storms. Opting for windows that aren't designed to withstand these conditions can result in long-term problems. For instance, you need windows that can handle high humidity without warping or rotting. Vinyl and fiberglass windows are often preferred for Florida homes because they are resistant to moisture and provide excellent insulation. Similarly, impact-resistant windows are essential for hurricane protection. Without them, you risk damage to your home during the storm season. Skimping on hurricane protection. Hurricanes and severe storms are a significant concern in Florida, and not incorporating hurricane-resistant windows can be a costly oversight. Many homeowners underestimate the importance of these windows, thinking they only need to add shutters or protective coverings. However, impact-resistant windows are specifically designed to withstand strong winds and flying debris, which can prevent extensive damage to both your home and your family. Choosing standard windows that don't meet hurricane protection standards could end up costing you more in repairs and insurance claims in the long run. It's essential to invest in windows that are built to protect your home in the face of a storm, giving you peace of mind when bad weather strikes. Ignoring energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is often a top priority for homeowners when replacing their windows, but some fail to consider how much of an impact the right windows can have on their energy bills. Florida's hot climate means air conditioning is used frequently, and poorly insulated windows can allow the cool air to escape, raising energy costs. When replacing your windows, opt for those that are ENERGY STAR certified. These windows feature low emissivity, low E coatings that reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler during the summer months and warmer in the winter. Additionally, double or triple paned windows filled with insulating gases like argon or krypton are better at minimizing heat gain, improving your home's overall energy efficiency. Failing to hire a qualified installer. Even the best windows won't perform as expected if they aren't installed properly. Unfortunately, many homeowners make the mistake of hiring unqualified or inexperienced installers, thinking they can save money. This can lead to poor insulation, leaks, and misalignment, which compromises the performance of your new windows. Hiring a professional installer who is experienced with Florida's unique climate requirements ensures that your windows will be sealed properly and function as intended. It's worth investing in a reputable company with a proven track record to avoid costly repairs down the line. Overlooking local building codes and regulations in Florida, there are specific building codes and regulations that govern window replacements, especially regarding hurricane protection and energy efficiency. Failing to adhere to these codes can lead to penalties, delays, or even having to redo the installation altogether. Before replacing your windows, it's crucial to consult with professionals who are familiar with local building codes to ensure that the windows you choose comply with Florida's regulations. This will not only save you time and money but also ensure your windows provide the maximum protection and energy efficiency. Neglecting maintenance considerations. Another common mistake is failing to think about long-term maintenance when selecting windows. While Florida's climate may offer beautiful beach views, it also brings with it saltwater exposure, humidity, and intense sunlight, all of which can accelerate wear and tear on your windows. Opting for windows that are easy to clean and maintain is important for long-term durability. Vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum-clad wood are materials that require minimal maintenance and are resistant to the corrosive effects of Florida's environment. Additionally, make sure the windows you select are easy to operate and clean, particularly in hard-to-reach areas. Focusing solely on price. While it's understandable to have a budget when replacing windows, focusing solely on price can be a mistake. Choosing the cheapest windows available might save you money up front, but it could lead to higher maintenance costs and lower performance in the long run. Opt for quality windows that offer durability, energy efficiency, and protection against the elements. A better window will save you money over time and provide a better return on your investment. Conclusion. Replacing windows in Florida is more than just a cosmetic update. It's an investment in your home's protection, energy efficiency, and overall value. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure that your new windows will serve you well for years to come. Take the time to choose the right windows, hire professionals for proper installation, and consider long-term maintenance to avoid unnecessary complications. With the right approach, you'll enjoy a comfortable, secure, and energy-efficient home.